When we decided to take the show to a national level and we changed the name of the show to Today's Homeowner, I knew I would have to make the show a lot better. In order to do that, I had to bring in some key people. One of the key people is executive producer and director Scott Gardner, who's been with me since the very start of Today's Homeowner. Now, did you ever think we'd make it to the 300th episode?
I wasn't sure we'd make it to the end of the first episode, let alone that season. So 300 episodes, 13 seasons, that's a lot.
There's a lot of other people that work really hard every day to help us put Today's Homeowner together. The backbone of a show like this is a great handheld cameraman. In our case, that's Brad Rogers, our director of photography.
Any downsides to being a handheld camera op?
Being handheld camera with Danny on the other side of the camera.
Brad winds up in all kinds of awkward positions in his quest to get the perfect angle for every shot.
That was a fence accident with a backhoe. Nothing abnormal.
I'm taking it that the backhoe won and you and the fence lost.
The backhoe beat me. This time.
You're used to seeing Alan Lyle in front of the camera here on Today's Homeowner.
Danny insisted I crawl into this house to talk about another potential hazard. Thanks a lot, Danny.
But Alan is also one of the show's producers.
What was this, a curtain?
No, it was the 1950s apron. I'm June Cleaver, and welcome to my kitchen.
So he puts in a lot of time behind the camera as well.
All right, Danny, stand by.
So, Alan, what's it like having to wear two hats in the production process?
Oh, you mean producer and co-host? I actually have professional juggler written on my business cards, but prescription medication helps.
Why not do that? Man, it is a beautiful day to be outside. This week, we're going to show you how to create your own space right outside.
Your own outdoor entertainment space. There we go. That's what we...
Okay, wait a minute. Let's have him come over and make fun of it like he said he was going to, but he can't. Why can't he?
That's so textbook.
Oh, yeah. Your textbook is everything you need to know about.
I like it.
Everybody over there wants to be over here.